Today I'm going to show you how to complete your reading activity for Monday. So the directions say click the link below in the blue text box and read the poem. Find 4 words that you don't know the meaning of and write them in the words I don't know category. So you're going to click the link and it is going to take you to the poem. You're going to read the poem, and as you read, you are going to find words that you don't know what they mean. So for example, as you're reading, if you don't know what the word sank means, then you are going to go back to slide 1 and type in the word sank. And make it smaller and put it in the words I don't know box. And you're going to do that for 4 words. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're only doing the red boxes today on Monday. When you are finished finding 4 words you do not know, then you are going to click the green check. And your teacher is going to send it back to you. So on Tuesday, you can fill out the purple boxes and read the directions.